I'm John Hotchkiss, the Dimondale car mechanic that you heard of me so about. I fix up old race cars, and I'm here to tell you about the 2025 Dimondale Oldsmobile on Friday, June 13th, from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. to hear the engines roar and to come on down and check the old cars out between Bridge Street on Washington to Brick. Quincy, I mean. So, and the streets will probably be blocked so the old cars can park there. So you'll have to find a detour, but anyhow, so come on down and check that event out. And bring lots of water with you in case it happens to be a hot one since summer is roaming around. So, come on down on Friday, June 13th from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. in Dimondale. Bye.